Mega love shout out everyone. So this is me, Mama Shaw Vlog. And before anything else, I would like to extend a happy Hearts Day to all. So guys, we're celebrating Valentine's Day every 14th of February in each month because we are commemorating the birth of Saint Valentine. So I just also to flex. I just also want to express also my greetings to my ex-boyfriend. Sada, thank you so much for the effort you put into cooking, your daily cooking, breakfasts. And of course, thank you also for the beautiful balloons and the sweet chocolates. And of course, the lovely and colorful flowers. But more than the gifts you are giving, your love, care, and thoughtfulness are very much appreciated. Saputon lang ka usahay. So, sapot-saputon ka. So, minus-minusan na to atong kasaputon. Kaya high blood, always remember that I appreciate in everything you do. I am so sorry because I am not an expressive person. So always remember that I am appreciating all of your efforts and everything you do to me and to the family as well. So again, Dada, happy Valentine's Day to you as well. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank you. Thank you. We have here balloon, balloon. And we also have here chocolate, chocolate. And aside from this, we also have here complete uniform. Thank you, Dada, for this. Thank you and happy Valentine's Day to you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Salamat. 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 Mm-mm.